HANSAmed is a Canadian pharmaceutical specialty company. We distribute pharmaceuticals and medical devices in dental space. And what these industries require is to have emergency drugs on site. And we're looking primarily for continued product improvement. Lumiti basically gives us a really nice balance between what we need and what we're looking for. SAP helped us actually reorganize some of our processes. So we're very happy with that solution, and we're working with it and constantly expanding it.
Really one of the challenges we have is to take all this data and to really, for the sales force, really target it and target it down to what's really important. Interesting here at HANSAmed is that our SAP is also linked, aligned with our CRM system, our customer relationship management system. We can actually incorporate some of these activities into the system.
We probably in the 10-year period from how we started have grown tenfold as far as our top line is concerned. One of the reasons why we can expand and don't have to worry about our platform is because SAP Business One gives us a platform to grow.